Good morning, students. Welcome to your Maths 1 online teaching session. Let us continue with our sixth chapter, that is Statistics, Part 4. In this session, we will revise one important sum of median and one sum of mean, so that revision of whatever we have finished till now in this chapter can be done. So let's see one sum of median, that is question number 4 from the practice set. The production of electric bulbs in different factories is shown in the following table. Find the median of the productions. Now I need to find median in this. The table given is this. Number of bulbs. Now in bracket they have specified the unit as thousands. So you have to take care of this. Okay. Number of bulbs in thousands. The range is given as 30 to 40. Number of factories 12. 40 to 50 35. 50 to 60 20 and so on. All these classes, as you are able to see it, all these classes are continuous. You don't have to make any class continuous. Okay, so all the classes are continuous to us. The only care has to be taken here that it is number of bulbs and it is in thousands. Okay, so now let us find the median of this. For median, as you know, we require one additional column of cumulative frequency, that too less than type. I hope you recollect how to find out the cumulative frequency. Okay, then what are the classes given? Let us write that. These are the classes given to us in the question. Frequencies given are these. Now we need to fill in this by writing the cumulative frequency. Now just have a look. 12 can be written as it is. I hope you remember. Now this gets diagonally added to this. 12 plus 35 is 47. Then again diagonally add this. 47 plus 20 is 67 and so on. You just have to keep on diagonally adding this. This is the way this cumulative frequency can be found out. Okay. So once frequency we have got, immediately we will calculate the total frequency, that is summation of Fi, and it comes to 105. So this is the total of all these frequencies, and when I fill in this cumulative frequency column, the last number should tally with the total. Okay. So let's see this. The first one is written as it is. As I have told you, whenever we are filling in the cumulative frequency less than type, always the first number, that is frequency, is to be written as it is. Then go on diagonally adding it. 12 plus 35 will give you 47. 47 plus 20 will give you 67 and so on. Okay. And now when you observe the last number of this column, it is 105, which is nothing but the total of all these frequencies. Summation of Fi should tally with this last number of the cumulative column. So it's 105. Now what was the next thing that we used to do? We have finished the cumulative frequency. We know the value of summation of Fi, that is capital N. Now depending upon the value of N upon 2, we will decide the median class. Okay, so N upon 2 will be how much? It's 105 divided by 2. So it's 52.5. Now the next step was, once you get the value of N upon 2, you need to search where this value 52.5 will lie in the cumulative frequency column. Okay, now just see this. First value is 12. It is only till 12. It's not including 52.5. Second value is 47. Even this is not including 52.5. The very first value which includes this 52.5 is 67. So this tells me that 50 to 60 is my median class. I hope you are understanding it. You need to search where this value of N upon 2 will lie in this, the first value, where it will lie in the cumulative frequency column. So 50 to 60 is the median class. Accordingly, the frequency F will be 20. Cumulative frequency just above the median class is 47. So this 47 is CF. F we have got, lower limit of the median class is 50. As you can see here, that is L. H or width of the class is how much here? Any class you can take, upper limit minus lower limit. So 100 minus 90, that is 10. So H value is 10. All values which you require is available in the table. Okay. I hope you are understanding it. Now what is left is to just use the formula, substitute and get the answer. See this, you can mention this 50 to 60 is the median class. As I have told you why it is a median class, because this 52.5, the very first value in the CF column which includes this 52.5 is this 67, and this 67 corresponds to 50 to 60. That is the reason 50 to 60 is the median class. Mention it in the table as well. Write it that it is the median class. Now frequency of the median class is F, represented it as F. The CF, the cumulative frequency just above the median class, is 47, so that is CF. Okay, NH I have told you, you take the difference between any class interval, upper limit minus lower limit, any one from this. The difference is 10, so H value is 10. All the values I have given you. Now what is left is to use the formula, put it in a box. Yes, median is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Right? Now substitute the values. 50 was the lower limit as I have shown you in the table. 52.5 we have calculated as N upon 2. CF I have shown you that is 47 and F is 20 into width or H is how much? 10. Okay. Now 52.5 minus 47 is 5.5. Next step. Okay. Now this 0 and the 0 can be cancelled. So it comes to 5.5 upon 2. This 50 has to be written as it is. Now it's 5.5 upon 2. Can be divided. It comes to 2.75. So 50 plus 2.75 is 52.75. Now since the unit I have specified in the beginning, it is in thousands. So you need to write here 1000. And now you can multiply this 52.75 into 1000. This is an additional step. This is an extra step. This we have not done in the previous sums. The unit was 1000. So you have to multiply it by 1000. By multiplying by 1000, what will happen? This digit will shift to right 3 digits. 3 places, right? So it will be 52750. This should be the final answer. I hope you have understood all the steps, especially this last step. The unit is 1000. That is the reason the answer is multiplied by 1000 at the end. Now what? Write the final answer. Put it in a box. The median of the production is, yes, 5 to 52,750 lamps. I hope you have understood all the steps, how we find the value of L, N upon 2, CF, F and H. Then substitute it. Get the answer. If the unit is in thousands or hundreds, you multiply accordingly and get the final answer. Okay. So I think median concept is very nicely understood to you. We have solved nearly all the sums of the practice set. Now we will take one sum of mean. It is from the problem set, so that mean concept is also revised. Okay. The weekly wages of 120 workers in a factory are shown in the following frequency distribution table. Find the mean of the weekly wages. Now as I have told you, mean, you just have to learn direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method you don't have to learn. So this is a table that is given to us. I hope you remember mean by direct method. What was the formula? Mean is represented by x bar and the formula is summation of fi into xi upon summation of fi. Yes, so you need this xi. Frequency is already given to you. Xi means what? The class mark of all these classes, the midpoint or the class mark. So accordingly we will prepare the table. The table will have 4 columns. It will be the class intervals, that is weekly wages, class mark, that is xi, frequency, that is number of workers that is given to us, that is fi, and the last column fi xi. Okay, so these are the 4 columns for direct method. So first is the class mark, that is given classes that is given to us as 0 to 2000, 2000 to 4000, 4000 to 6000 and 6000 to 8000. So these are the classes. Now what we want is class mark. How do we find this? Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. Yes, so 0 plus 2000 is 2000 upon 2, so it comes to 1000. So the class mark of the first class is 1000. Yes, and as I have told you, whatever is the width, you keep on adding it, you will get the class mark of the remaining classes. What is the width or range here? 2000. So you add 2000 to this. 1000 plus 2000 is 3000. Again add 2000. You will get 5000. Again add 2000. You will get 7000. So this way you can find out the class marks. Okay. So frequency, class marks I have told you how it is. 1000, 3000, 5000 and 7000. Now frequencies are given to us. Take the total of it, that is summation of fi. We might require it in the formula. So when you add all these frequencies, the total comes to 120. Now the last column, it is fi into xi, as easy as 15 into 1000, 35 into 3000, 50 into 5000, 20 into 7000. Okay. So you need to multiply this, and here also you need the total of this column, that is summation of Fi into Xi. So it comes to 15,000, then 1,05,000, 2,50,000, 1,40,000, and when you add all this, it comes to 510000. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. Everyone is understanding it, correct? Now the formula. What is the formula? I have given you the formula also. Summation of Fi upon summation of Fi. So what is summation of Fi? As you can see here, it is 5,10,000. So that you can write here, okay, upon Fi. Fi is how much? 120. And when you divide this, it's easy division also. You can cancel this 0 and 0 first of all and divide this number by 12. It is completely divisible, and answer is 4250. Okay, I hope all the steps are clear. And final answer, the mean of weekly wages of the workers is 4,250. Right? So in this session I have revised all the important concepts, like median we have done, we have solved one sum, mean also we have finished. I have taken a revision of the sum also. I hope both the methods are clear to you, how to find mean as well as median. Okay, with this I come to the end of this session. Remaining part of the chapter will continue in the next session. Thank you.